Alright, what's going on, guys? This is a review program video, or program review video. Well, I just said that backwards. Anywho, this is about a program called WonderFox DVD Ripper Pro. Basically what this is a DVD ripper. It also has compatibility for ripping images off ISO images and DVD data folders. So first things first, I guess I'm just going to go through a few of the options. Well, what can you rip? You can basically rip any DVD you want. I'm actually going to be using a DVD that I burned back in like 2008 from one of me and my buddies' home videos that we just made putting around as kids. So I'm going to be extracting some videos or a video off this DVD, and I'll be getting to that in a minute. First things first, you can choose a generic path on where you can extract your video files to. I have it set to my user's DVD here, so basically you can just select your own folder. I just made a folder inside my videos folder and called it DVD Rip, and selected that folder for the output files to be processed, and then basically all you have to do is select what type of output format you want. So you click over here on this little icon here and it brings forward the output settings, and basically what you can do is you can output as video, you can upload it directly to the web, you can have it rendered as HD 4K if you wish, or you can output it as just simply audio. You can set it to a specific device, which would be whatever you wish for it to be. Usually MP4 codec video is pretty stable with all devices nowadays, so I would say that that would be the best thing to do. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But then you have all your selections here: AVI, MP4. AVI is like the standard Windows video format. MP4 is for like any kind of like mobile format. MKV, WMV, that's another Windows format. MKV, I think that's direct video or something. MPG, that's another standard video format. MOV, which is the native format for Apple iOS. M4V, that's an audio file, and so forth. That's pretty much it. I mean, all of these are pretty much old school. Wow, 3GP. that's like flip phone status right there. So you can export it even as flip phone status in XVID and DVX. Yeah, DVX encoder. XVID and MKV is also DVX software videos. So I'm selecting MP4, and what I'm going to do is just simply pop in the DVD now, and it will automatically read the drive. I don't have a native drive on my laptop. It's just a solid state Lenovo ThinkPad, and so I'm using a USB 3.0 at the moment. But it does work with a USB DVD drive as well, and it will also work with your standard drive if you have one on your PC. There we go. Goober. Really? Alright, so once the disk reads in your drive, just simply select DVD disk and select the drive letter F, Goober. I guess I named this home video Goober. And it's going to scan the DVD and add the profiles to the list. So I have 27 titles. It's going to add 27 titles to the list for potential ripping video files. Okay, so once your disc reads, you're going to see all your titles of the DVD show up on your screen. The first thing you're going to probably notice is that the main movie, quote, title is already selected. This doesn't matter. You can select whatever title you want based upon how many titles you have on the video, which would be the separate videos of whatever is on the DVD. But usually the main movie title is what you're going to be wanting to select. But I'm just going to deselect that for now, and I'm going to come up here and select one of these first titles here. I guess I'll just pick this. I'll pick this 6-second video here, and you either A, won't get a message, or you will get a message saying that title, whatever is the main title, and is recommended to copy that title, but you don't have to copy that title per se. And all you have to do now is click run, and it will rip that video off the DVD and store it to your output folder that you have selected down here below. And you'll get that little message there. I don't need to upgrade because I already have the license key. And if we go to my video folder and open that up, if it ever opens up, there we go. And let's see, let's go to videos. Come on. And DVD rip. There it is. Goober title number 2. And it's 6 seconds. And I'm not even going to worry about playing it. So, but there you go. So you can rip whatever you want. And just to show again, I will rip another video off this as well. So I'll select run on that. It'll analyze the title and it will rip it to the folder. So, just want to state, I don't have any rights to this program. I am not the creator of this program. This is WonderFox Incorporated. The executable file will be below. I will leave a download link for that so you guys can pick this program up. If you wish to subscribe to this program and buy it and use it, you're more than welcome to. I do not wish for you to just download a crack for this program or use this program for hacking or making bootlegs or anything like that. So this is just simply a review video in general stasis. So again, just rip whatever video you want, and there it is. Google title number 1 is right there. That's the one I just ripped over. So that's pretty much it. So rate, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, this little execute right here, DVD Ripper, will be in the download link below for you guys to pick up if you wish to try out the software for yourself. And if you like it, go ahead and buy it. And again, I don't own any rights to this software. I can just send out the executable, and that's it. And all the copyright information will be below, as well as the link to this executable download and the direct link to the website itself. So rate, comment, and subscribe again, and I will talk to you guys later, and hopefully you enjoy the WonderFox DVD Ripper Pro.